Hi loves, in this video I'm going to show you two ingredients for hair growth. One of the ingredients is fermented rice water, and you have to add the next one to this fermented rice water. The ingredients we're going to be making use of is rice, because we're making fermented rice water. Wash the rice thoroughly with clean water. After you have finished washing it, get a clean bowl, clean container, anything you have at home that is clean that you can use to store it for days. Pour the rice inside it, the washed rice, then pour water inside it, 1 to 2 cups. Fill the container, the bowl to the brim. Make sure to fill it depending on the quantity of rice you used. Make sure to use clean water. Everything should be clean, okay? Because you'll be using this on your hair. You can even use it, cover it and leave it for 3 days. After 3 days, you can make use of any other ingredients you want, but I normally use onion. Onions is rich in sulfur, which helps to stimulate collagen production. And collagen in turn promote hair growth, stop hair loss, stop dandruff. Grate the onions. Grate it. You can use grater, you can use blender, anything you have at home that can use to extract the onion juice, that can make it easy to extract the onion juice. Use it. After you have finished grating it or blending it, then you have to extract the juice. Do not add water to it if you want it to work faster. Adding water may dilute it, so you have to extract the onion juice. This is onion juice, and onion juice is very perfect for hair growth. If you don't know it now. And why mixing it with this fermented rice water is going to be magic. Okay, let me bring out my fermented rice water. When you bring out your fermented rice water, remember you have left it for like 2 days. You will see the color changes, the odor. It smells. Let me not lie to you, it smells. But please skip the smell. Don't even bother yourself about the smell, because you're going to be using it for the work you want it to do for you. So get the one you want, the one you will use, because we're going to be mixing other ingredients to it. So you have to get the quantity you want at that moment, the one you can, depending on the length of your hair. You understand? So then after, then you have to pour in your onion juice to the fermented rice water. Pour your onion juice inside it. After you have pour your onion juice inside it, then you'll have to mix these two ingredients together. These two ingredients is perfect. Then you have to use your finger, your hand, to apply it on your scalp. Deeply massage it on your scalp. Massage it very well. After massaging it on your scalp, then leave it on your hair for 2 hours. After 2 hours, wash it up with water. That's all. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.